Good morning.
I must go and hunt for the perfect breakfast. For the perfect breakfast, I must have the perfect apple. I wish for the perfect apple. Mr. Beaver. Mr. Beaver. Hello. Mr. Beaver, where can I find the perfect apple?
Well, try the enchanted forest, Jim.
Okay, I'll go there now. I found the perfect apple. Time to make the perfect breakfast. Apple pie porridge. Grab a bowl. You need some oats and some milk. Chop that apple. A little cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of maple syrup, combine together and cook. It has to be just right. While that's cooking, mix some Greek yogurt with a splash of vanilla. Add that yogurt on top and top it with some granola. Apple pie porridge. Breakfast for a king. You know my neighbor Cinderella? She's a great person, but a lousy softball player. She has a pumpkin for a coach.